F, and G. Sing along with me. Choo-choo, the train is coming. A, B, C, learning is fun. Come aboard and learn with me. Whee! A is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for balloon, floating up high. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for drum, a beat so grand. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims with glee. G is for goat that loves to play. H is for hat upon your head. I is for ice cream, a sweet delight. J is for jellyfish that loves to sway. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a mighty roar. M is for moon that shines so bright. N is for nest where birdies rest. O is for orange, round and sweet. P is for penguin, so cute and grand. Q is for quail, so quick and small. R is for rabbit that hops with might. S is for star that shines so bright. T is for tiger, strong and bold. U is for umbrella when skies are gray. V is for violin, a happy sound. W is for whale that swims so free. X is for xylophone, a happy sound. Yummy, yummy yogurt for my tummy. Y is for yummy. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zebra with stripes so grand.
Wow! We learned so many letters today. That was a fun adventure.
Let's sing our ABC song together one more time.
A, B, C, now I know my ABCs.
Choo-choo goes the train, A to Z.